Hey guys, have you ever known that Caesar salad it's not from Italy, it's USA? Yes, and today we will cook it. The list of the ingredients is also below the video. My goal is to cook dishes from all 193 countries. So first take one chicken breast and cut in half. Sprinkle with salt and pepper to taste. Add a little oil in a frying pan and fry chicken on both sides. Now let the chicken cool down. 200 white bread cut into cubes. Now add a little oil and add our white bread to the pan. 2 garlic cloves cut into several cloves and add to the pan. And now you need stir fry until firm. Take 4-5 Chinese cabbage leaves and chop it. Divide China cabbage in 2 plates. Put Caesar sauce. Cut our chicken and add also 2 plates. Now take 8 cherry tomatoes cut in half and put on plates. Sprinkle with our breadcrumbs. Grated 150-gram cheese. First, drizzle with Caesar sauce and after top with cheese. And our Caesar salad is ready. Bon appetit! And don't forget to follow if you don't want to miss out any new country recipes.